안녕하세요. Hello, K friends. 불닭볶음면 has been very popular worldwide since it came out in 2012. My daughter sometimes eats 불닭 carbonara, but I only tried for the first time recently. I wondered why this ramen is so popular globally. And I think it's because of its unique taste that makes you crave it again after just one try. So today I will show you 7 easy ways to make buldak noodles even tastier. Are you ready? Let's get started. Buldak noodles with the chicken. Then you slice the onion. Diagonally slice the green onion. Slice some parsley. Cut the chicken into small pieces. I used the chicken thigh today, but you can also use chicken breast. Add the buldak noodles to boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a preheated pan. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic and stir fry. Then add the onion, green onion, and chicken, stirring well. Season with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, and half tablespoon of gochujang. If you like it spicier, add 1 tablespoon of gochujang. You can add 1 teaspoon of garlic. I forgot to add. After 5 minutes, drain the noodles and add them to the pan. Add the sauce packet and stir fry with the ingredients for 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and mix it half tablespoon of sesame oil. Transfer to a bowl and sprinkle with the flakes to finish. Delicious buldak noodles with chicken is done. It tastes amazing when you eat it with chicken and noodles together. 불닭 tuna fried rice. Break the buldak noodles into small pieces. Then you slice a little red onion. You can use regular onion instead of a red onion. Also slice 1 green onion thinly. Drain the tuna using a strainer. Add the crushed noodles to boiling water and cook for 4 minutes. While the noodles are cooking, heat some oil in a preheated pan and add the sliced onion and green onion, stirring them well. Add the tuna and stir fry well. As you stir fry, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to season. After 4 minutes, drain the boiled noodles, then add them to the pan. Add half a bowl of rice and the liquid sauce from the buldak noodles, then stir fry for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, mixing it well before placing in a bowl. Add an egg yolk on top of the fried rice for extra richness. Lastly, sprinkle flakes on top. Very delicious and hearty buldak tuna fried rice is done. It's absolutely delicious when you take a spoonful while it's warm. Buldak cream carbonara with seafood. This carbonara flavor is a bit spicy, but the cream carbonara flavor is milder. Today I will use the cream carbonara noodles. Add the buldak cream carbonara noodles to boiling water and cook for 4 minutes. While the noodles are boiling, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a preheated pan. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. When the garlic aroma rises, add the shrimp and squid and stir fry. If you don't have a squid, you can skip it or use any other seafood you like. Season with a little salt and pepper. Once the seafood is cooked, pour half cup of milk into the pan and add the cream packet and sauce packet from the ramen, mixing well. After 4 minutes, drain the boiled noodles and add them to the pan, mixing well with the seafood cream sauce. Let it simmer for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off the heat, transfer to a bowl and sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese if you have it, adding a bit of parsley. This is optional. A simple and delicious buldak cream carbonara with seafood is done. Look at this! It's incredibly creamy and tasty, possibly even better than what you get at a restaurant. Highly recommended. 불닭 noodle 떡볶이. Cut the fish cake into small pieces. Then slice the onion. Diagonally slice the green onion. Prepare some tteokbokki dough. Pour 2 cups of water into a pan and add the sauce packet from the bulldog noodles. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of gochujang, and 1 teaspoon of garlic to season. If you prefer spicier tteokbokki, add about 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Add the prepared fish cake, onion, and tteokbokki rice cakes to the pan and bring to a boil. Once the ingredients starts boiling, add the bulldog noodles and let it simmer over high heat for 5 to 6 minutes until the sauce reduces to your liking. Once the sauce has thickened, transfer to a bowl and sprinkle with the flakes. Top with a boiled egg and sprinkle with chopped parsley to finish. This is optional. Delicious and hearty bulldog noodle tteokbokki is done. When you are craving tteokbokki, this is a convenient and tasty way to enjoy. Hope you give it a try. Bulldog noodles with sausage and vegetable. Slice a little of each color of black pepper. Slice a little red onion. Make shallow cuts on both sides of the Vienna sausages. Slice the garlic cloves. Add the bulldog noodles to a pot and boil on high heat for 5 minutes. While the noodles are boiling, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to a preheated pan. Add sliced garlic and stir fry. Then add the sausages and stir fry together over medium-high heat. Add the bell peppers and onion and stir fry together. Add a half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and mix well. After 5 minutes, drain the noodles and add them to the pan. Add the sauce packet and stir fry well for about 30 seconds. Tangy sweet spicy bulldog noodles with sausage and vegetable is done. The combination of sausages and noodles is so delicious. Bulldog cream carbonara risotto. Thinly slice the onion. Break the noodles into small pieces and set aside the sauce and cream packet. Add the crushed noodles to boiling water and cook for 3 minutes, then drain them using a strainer. Preheat the pan over medium heat and cooking oil. Stir fry the garlic and onion. Pour 1 cup of milk into the pan and add the cream packet and sauce packet. Mixing well. Add about half cup of rice and bring to a simmer. After 3 minutes, add the drained noodles to the pan and place a slice of cheddar cheese on top. Boil over high heat for 2 minutes. Taste and add salt if needed. When the risotto becomes slightly thick, turn off the heat and transfer it to a bowl. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and a little parsley to finish. Flavor cream carbonara risotto is done. Look at this, it looks so tasty. Corn cheese bulldog noodles. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of corn, 3 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and half tablespoon of sugar. This mix will become the sweet and savory corn cheese that will be placed on top of the noodles. When the water boils, add the bulldog noodles and boil for exactly 5 minutes on high heat. After 5 minutes, drain the noodles using strainer. Add 8 tablespoons of hot water to a pan or a pot. Add the drained noodles and add the liquid sauce included in the ramen package. Stir fry for about 30 seconds while mixing well. Place the prepared bulldog noodles in a bowl and top with the pre-made corn cheese mix. Microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds to melt the cheese. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, add the flakes. Amazingly delicious corn cheese bulldog noodles is done. Look at this! One bite and the sweet and spicy flavors blend together, making really tasty. How was today's video? If you have a favorite bulldog recipe or your own tips, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.